to cook like a professional? I mean, really cook like a true professional. Hi, my name is Scott Masters with Traeger Wood Pellet Grills, and in my 25 years of restaurant experience, I've never seen a grill that can do what the Traeger grill can do. Imagine, if you will, at your next outdoor cooking event, being able to put food on the table that's cooked absolutely perfectly. I'm talking roasted chicken with deep, rich, brown, crispy skin on the outside, delicious moist meat on the inside, just separates and falls off the bone when you cut into that chicken. Baby back ribs that fall off the bone, perfectly smoked, the right amount of flavor, absolutely delicious each and every time. How about being able to do seafood, salmon, shrimp, delicate trout on that grill each and every time with the right amount of smoked flavor that's absolutely perfectly cooked. This grill can make you the envy of everyone in your neighborhood. The secret is in the smoke and the unique auger system that feeds 100% hardwood pellets into a firebox, along with the induction fan system that creates a constant, even cooking temperature. It's flare-free, worry-free, hassle-free cooking each and every time. The Traeger grill is the most versatile grill that I have ever seen. Not only can you grill and smoke on it, you can braise and you can even bake. If it can be eaten, it can be cooked on a Traeger grill. Get yours today. You'll love it. I guarantee it.